Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we help you spend your money wisely. Today, we have a classic David versus Goliath showdown between two robotic cleaning warriors. On my left, we have the eufy X10 Pro Omni, aka the Cleaning Terminator. And on my right, we have the Lefant M210 Pro, aka the pocket-sized powerhouse. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the most painful part of any purchase, the price. The eufy X10 Pro Omni will set you back a whopping $799. For that price, it better come with a personal butler, right? Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 Pro is more wallet-friendly at $209. That's like comparing a luxury yacht to a paddle boat, so if you're on a budget, Lefant might already be winning your heart. Next up, cleaning power. The eufy X10 Pro Omni boasts a jaw-dropping 8,000 pascals suction. That's more suction than a black hole. It'll suck up everything from pet hair to your deepest secrets. On the other hand, Lefant M210 Pro has a more modest approach with its unique suction mouth design. It's not as powerful, but it gets the job done, especially if you have pets. Reviewers rave about the eufy's exceptional cleaning abilities on both hard floors and carpets, while Lefant users appreciate its effectiveness at cleaning pet hair, even if it's not as powerful. Now, who doesn't love a robot that can mop? The eufy X10 Pro Omni is like the Martha Stewart of robot vacuums. It has dual mop pads that rotate 180 times per minute, applying 1 kilogram of downward pressure. It even lifts the mops when it senses carpet, so you don't end up with soggy rugs. Lefant, on the other hand, doesn't mop. It's strictly a vacuum, so if you need a mop feature, eufy's your guy. If not, Lefant says, who needs a mop when you have a Swiffer? Reviewers are particularly impressed with eufy's mopping functionality, describing it as a game changer for home cleaning routines. Let's talk brains. The eufy X10 Pro Omni has AIC Smart Cleaning, which can identify over 100 different objects like wires, shoes, and even that one sock you lost last week. It also features iPath laser navigation and customizable AI Map 3.0. It's basically a cleaning genius. Lefant M210 Pro has its own tricks with Free Move 3.0 technology, upgraded sensors, and smart app and voice controls. It's like the robot vacuum equivalent of a smart but rebellious teenager. Reviewers love eufy's intelligence and easy setup, while Lefant users appreciate its user-friendly app and efficient cleaning despite occasional app issues. Size matters, folks. The eufy X10 Pro Omni is a bit of a chunky boy, but it's packed with features. The Lefant M210 Pro is slim and sleek, with an 11-inch diameter and a height of just under 3 inches. It's perfect for getting under beds, sofas, and other tight spots. So if you have a lot of low furniture, Lefant's your sneaky little ninja. Reviewers highlight eufy's sleek design and powerful features, while Lefant users love its compact size and ability to fit under furniture easily. Overall, reviewers are highly impressed with the eufy X10 Pro Omni, praising its powerful suction, versatile mopping functionality, and intelligent navigation. It's described as a game changer for home cleaning routines, despite being on the larger side and somewhat noisy. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro receives accolades for its affordability, efficiency in cleaning pet hair, and compact design. While it may lack some advanced features and power, it's considered a great value for those on a budget. So who's the winner? Well, that depends on what you need. If you want a powerhouse with all the bells and whistles and don't mind the hefty price tag, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is your new best friend. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, efficient cleaner that can squeeze into tight spots, the Lefant M210 Pro is your go-to. Either way, you're getting a cleaner home without lifting a finger. Thanks for watching by Smart Fam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time, and remember, shop smart, buy smart.